Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of my meal prep videos. So in this video I will be talking about my lunch and dinner meal prep. If you haven't already checked out part 1 where I talk about my breakfast, you can do so over here or in the link in the description. Okay, to give you a summary of what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna prepare chicken, rice, potatoes, and what's the dick emoji thing? Eggplant, yeah. I have a rice cooker and you should get a rice cooker too. I paid like $40 for this. It's a cheap one, it's not a great one, but it does the job. It's just so much faster than having to stand here, watch your stupid rice all the time until it boils. And like, usually this lasts me for like 3 days. I just make the full thing as much capacity as possible.
Opinion, Samuel is basically the Boris Johnson of the apartment.
Next up, okay, I have the water in here. I'm gonna get 2 cups of rice. I got like 4.5 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. It's brown rice, so it takes a little bit more. There we go, number 1.
So why do you like brown rice more than white rice?
It's more nutritious. I mean, it tastes the same, honestly. I actually prefer brown rice even by the taste. But there's just more nutrients inside, so I think it just makes a bit more sense to take brown rice. Look at how efficient this is. So I turn it on. I select brown rice, that's it. And now it's gonna cook itself after an hour or so. I usually meal prep once a week and I make food for 5 days, and then for 2 days I just get food, you know, Chipotle or somewhere else. Like I usually try to get some clean food from a restaurant because it also has a high return on investment.
So what are your go-tos?
Chipotle is really good if you don't take some garbage stuff.
What is your Chipotle order?
Oh, I always take the same one. Okay, the last few days I haven't done meal prep, so I think I ate 9 burritos from Chipotle in 4 days. Oh my God. It's a bit much. I just get brown rice, steak, black beans, lettuce, sometimes guacamole. All the guacamole has onions, which I don't really like. And I just get the same one. I had the exact same burrito 9 times in 4 days.
Do you not get bored?
Not really, honestly. It's just like, you know, you wake up every morning, you don't get bored of waking up every morning. It's like something you just do.
Well, I would hope you don't get bored of waking up every morning, because
that
then
would
you
be
die.
Very sad. I do sometimes have tofu week, sometimes salmon week. You know, you can mix things up by adding new things, but just like having some bases like brown rice, sweet potatoes, it's very good, and you can just always combine it with other stuff. You can add eggs, you can add avocado, whatever you want to. So these things are very practical. I'm gonna cut them up and prepare them so I can just put them inside the grill together with the chicken. Because first off, I'm gonna do the potatoes. You should get big sweet potatoes.
The phrase of the video is ROI.
Yes, it's all about ROI. I would say the return on investment on washing potatoes is justifiable. So, and the trick is you just cut it in half, and that's it.
That's it? You just eat your potatoes like that?
No, just kidding. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Actually, let me prepare that as well.
Okay, how do you season it?
I don't season it. It's sweet potatoes, they're good. So I just put this little foil on here. It's very simple, and I can just put them right here, put them in the oven for 50 minutes, and that's it. So we can take them out and they're ready. I don't peel them because the return on investment on peeling sweet potatoes is very low.
Do you use any oil?
No. So the thing is, I don't need the oil because, you know, they have their own skin here, and I just cut them in half so they can just be ready like this.
This just sounds like a man who doesn't want to cook.
Yeah.
What temperature?
425.
I think you need to sharpen your knives.
Yeah, it's gonna be wild when I chop on my finger.
Do you have American insurance?
I do have American insurance. They cover this stuff. I specifically asked if I do something stupid on purpose, and they're still covered, and they say yes. I would have like these 4, for example. That would be like.
So you would have like 2 whole sweet potatoes.
Yeah, like small ones, or 1 big one. But I eat like many times a day, so. Now we're gonna do the ultimate trick for chicken. First of all, I get 2 glass containers. So if I had to open this every single day and season it, the return on investment would be very low. Therefore, I'm gonna do all this now at once. I'm gonna season and put them in here, so every day when I wanna make my fresh chicken, I just grab it and put it in the grill. Automatic grill. Oh, by the way, if you want to buy the grill, I'm gonna put a link in the description. You can check out my Amazon affiliate link, and I'm gonna get like 5% or so. I'm gonna put. Oh no!
What?
They have small chicken pieces only. I want the big chicken pieces.
Oh, so do you not only eat chicken breast?
I only eat like the big pieces of chicken breast. Small chicken pieces. Like, who has time for this? See, I'm trying to make a video about how to cook effectively, and then they give me these small pieces of chicken. Like, what is that? Look at, like, normally in the US you get like big chicken, like every chicken is the size of a turkey. Sweet potatoes are massive. Everything is bigger in America.
Ooh.
Okay, today I feel really fancy, so in addition to pepper and salt.
The only reason that you're being fancy
is because I'm on camera, so I'm gonna add chili powder. Normally I don't do that. Biggest return on investment ever. You just do this. Done. A little bit of pepper. Yeah. And some chili powder. There we go, that's done.
That's it?
Yep, I'm not gonna do the other side because then I would have to flip it and there's a low return on investment in flipping chicken.
Wait, that's all that you're going to season it with?
Yeah, what else do I need?
I don't know. Parsley, thyme.
No,
something.
too low return on investment.
It tastes better. And then...
Yeah, just toss it in the grill together with eggplants. Okay, I have these pre-prepared and I just close it and put it in the fridge, and whenever I need to have it, I just toss it in the grill. Very, very efficient. Now the next.
So how many do you eat in one meal?
Usually like one big chicken breast, just like 3 of these pieces.
Oh wow. And then how much do you work out?
5 times per week or 4 times per week, I would actually say, for like 2 hours at the time. But like very high intensity, heavy lifting. Well, there are some clips of the MIT gym. You can check out my day in a life video. Towards the end, I go to the MIT gym. There you can see it. And I probably threw it into some other clips as well, some other videos. Now we're gonna add the dick emojis. This up here. Yeah!
You missed.
And now the trick here is just cut them up to the same size as the chicken, and then you can grill them at the same time. So fresh every single day.
What are you gonna season them with?
Salt.
Oh my god.
Pepper. I don't need to spice everything. I mean, you can season stuff, but think about the return of an investment. There we go. Nice.
How does it feel to have chopped up the dick emoji?
Good. Oh wait, bad. Oh my god, that sounds very bad. Yeah, that's not the most effective thing I've ever done.
It's, you know, it's struggling a little bit, but there's something there.
Yeah, we're gonna squish it in and close it. But my channel used to be so serious about like interesting topics, and now I'm just filling it up with a lot of nonsense. If you eat a lot of junk food, you just feel bad, you don't have enough energy, you just go through the day and you're just not able to really perform so well. So I feel like if I eat good quality food that just gives me a lot of energy, it makes me healthy, I can just be so much more productive every day. I think it makes a big impact. I mean, same thing with working out. You should work out just because it makes you healthier. You don't have to become a bodybuilder like me. I mean, I'm not doing this for the health, I'm doing this because I like bodybuilding. But like being active is just so important. It makes you more productive. It actually saves you time in the end of the day. That's the idea. Okay, we're gonna squish some more eggplants in here. Yeah. Okay, I think this is full.
I think you're reaching capacity here.
I'm reaching it.
I think it might be a little bit too small.
It's gonna fit. Just push a bit harder. See, it fits. Easy. This is good. And I think the sweet potato, the oven is ready.
Yeah.
I'll toss this in. There we go. 50 minutes cooking time, 55. Da-da-da. Done. It's gonna cook itself from now on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I just have to wait for the rice to finish, for the sweet potatoes. They're gonna be waiting in my fridge for several days. And this is ready just to be cooked fresh every single day. I just take it out of here and put it in here, and it's done. Okay, little trick. I was eating this completely dry chicken, like 5-day-old dry chicken, completely disgusting. Now it's a bit better. But the thing is, like, if you eat the same thing over and over again, you can't really eat it. Like, you can't swallow that much food anymore. So I just bought this, which is like food lubricant that just makes it easier to swallow. Actually, it's steak sauce, but you know, you add that to your chicken, and all of a sudden it tastes, you know, edible. Contrary to when it was really not edible, but yeah. So Erin got tired of me not seasoning stuff, so she's not gonna season it for me.
It's literally just adding oregano, like it's...
And what do you think is the return on investment of what you're currently doing?
Flavor and joy.
Okay.
So you don't have to choke it down with steak sauce.
That's a fair point.
What are we doing now?
Flexing. No, you're cooking. So first of all, I'm gonna get my amazing grill. Okay, now here is a trick. So every day, I have my potatoes ready. I mean, they're currently being cooked, but actually I will have them in my fridge. Just grab them, heat them up in the microwave over here. And then I want to have this fresh, so all I have to do is really just preheat it. Click on chicken in this case. Okay, so now it's heating up. These are all my supplements. So yeah, this is what I take every single day actually.
Do you take them all in one gulp?
Yeah, I do.
Oh my god.
Last time I got something stuck in my throat though. It wasn't very fun. Done.
Do
Easy.
you need to take them all in one go?
It's very important. If you don't swallow them all at once, it's not good. Not good. Actually hurts my throat.
That's what she said.
So this guy is preheated. Now watch this, how efficient this is. Biggest ROI ever. I just take the chicken, which is nicely seasoned, toss it in here. Now I wish there were big pieces so I wouldn't have to do this multiple times, but that's fine. Yeah, are you hungry? Do you want some food?
No, I'm good.
So I'm just gonna make a small portion here.
So you do 3 pieces?
Yeah.
Look at that sizzle.
And I take the eggplant. Nice. Done. That's basically it. Now I just have to wait. It's gonna tell me when it's done. And I can go and work somewhere else. Get some work done. So just in time the potatoes finished. Whew. Okay, that's a lot of heat in there. Yeah, I have enough potatoes for like 3 or 4 days. I wish I would have bought bigger ones and it would have enough for 5 days, but it doesn't really matter. And the rice cooker has 5 more minutes, so that's gonna be perfect. Perfect timing. And you know, there's enough for like at least several days in here. It's like a lot of rice. This smells like good ROI.
The chicken smells really good. You want to know why?
Why?
Because it's seasoned.
Oh. Yeah, let's get this. Oh, wait. Oh, this one's stuck up there. I was like, where did it disappear?
I know.
So yeah, we can just leave that.
Let's look at the gym bro heaven. All those ciggies and then all those eggs.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Same thing, I'm not sure. Food words. I never talk about food in Croatian. And then we have this with sweet potatoes.
So are you good at estimating roughly the calories on this plate?
I think it's like 1,000 calories with the rice that I'm gonna add. I'm doing this very approximately because I'm bulking. So my goal is just getting as much as possible. And you know, it doesn't really matter on the calorie exactly how much it is. Here we go, this is my meal for, well, my first lunch. High ROI meal. I mean, honestly, with all the filming, I spend a bit too much time on it, but usually it's really quick to do this. And I do it only once a week. Flavorless rice. Now that is really what adds the only flavor to this meal. But it's good, it just feels so clean. Alright, so this was my meal prep. If you want to check out some other videos, you can do so over here and over here and over here. And if you liked the video and found it useful, you can thank me by giving me a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the notifications. As always, I'll see you next time. Take care.